Learn everything about best vacuum cleaner for car cleaning in 15 minutes. 1. Makita XLC02 Airbay 1W 18 volts compact cordless vacuum cleaner. This car vac is a very powerful vacuum, simple, compact design, featherlight, and it has an 8-floor attachment. It has great suction power that is essential for nice cleaning. Besides using as a car detailing vacuum, this vacuum also can be used for floors, carpets. Its length is 18¾ with an 18V lithium-ion battery and efficient charger. Makita 18V lithium-ion battery has the ability to charge quickly. For improving tool performance and efficiency, it has star protection computer control that protects from excessive load, discharge, and heat. Its floor nozzle has the great ability to collect dust. The motor is also powerful, that can deliver up to 46 FM. The filtration system is also good, that can deliver dust efficiently. Storage capacity is also good. Weight only 2.7 pounds. Positive review. Lightweight. Works very well. Enough suction power. Long life battery. Battery is charged more quickly. Service can be achieved easily. Battery and charger have enough quality. Comparatively better than other tools. For reusing, buys a cloth filter. It has a good performance on bare wood, concrete, and low pile rugs. Suction power may be just a bit less than the Dyson V6. Negative review. Battery is expensive. Not very powerful. No parts were reusable. In the case of deep pile carpet, its performance is good. 2. Dewalt 1820V Max Wet/Dry Vacuum, DCV 581H. This vac is very effective, and it has great efficiency over other similarly functioning vacuums. Furthermore, it has an XR lithium-ion battery. It can do both corded and cordless operations powered by either an 18V or 20V max battery or an AC outlet. It has a filter that has great efficiency. The filter can be easily accessed, washed, and reused. It has a high sustainable hose that has great durability. It has a great attachment, hose, and accessory storage. It is easily portable. It has also a great wide nozzle attachment. The battery and charger of this vacuum are sold separately. Battery performance is very well. This vacuum is very suitable for heavy work. The specifications of Dewalt 1820V Max Wet/Dry Vacuum, DCV 581H. It has a fluid capacity of 2 gallons. It accepts 18-volt XRP or Li-ion and 20-volt batteries. When the battery does not work, the battery should be changed. 3 amp or greater range battery should be used for best performance. As it is very small and lightweight, it can be easily carried from one place to another place. Advantages: long time battery duration, good filter, floor designed attachment is nice, very good design. It can clean both dry and wet mess. Disadvantages: suction rate is low, airflow is low. Positive review: it is small and lightweight. It can be easily carried to the job place. It is designed economically. It works very well to collect light metal, dust. Everything is perfect except the filter bag. We find both cord and cordless. It can be easily cleaned. Despite its compact size, it can handle a big job. Both cord and cordless have enough power. Negative review: filter bag should be added. It is not perfect for a heavy job. Suction power is not enough. 3. Armour All 2.5 gallon Wet/Dry Vacuum. It is a portable vac, so moving is easy. It has great versatility, large holding capacity, and very effective in a short time. It is used for removing dust from the car. It has done both dry and wet operations. After cleaning, it has accessories to dry the parts. It has an automatic shut-off function to control overflow and a nozzle diffuser to run the operation smoothly. Advantages: price at limited range according to quality. Versatility. Large holding capacity. Having accessory and hose storage. Having blower function. Powerful suction. Having impressive nozzle. Suitable for small work. Disadvantages: short power cord, inconsistent suction. Customer review. Price with limited range. Done work nicely. Clean pet animal hair amazingly. Clean the BMW car perfectly. Quality full suction. Long cord. Simple instruction to operate. Easily portable. Having great suction with a washable filter. Having suction with mini attachment to clean computer. Perfectly installed in the car. Awesome to use. Review: negative. Wet vacuum cleaner has low suction. Wet vacuum filter foam is not durable. It is tough to clean the hose. 4. Fox Novo Portable 12 volts Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum cleaner has great versatility and it has a long power cord. Its function is simple, and it can be carried easily. It is a very efficient vacuum cleaner with good suction power. By using this, we can save time and money as well as efficient cleaning with the 120 watts power. It is made of metal. It has low noise and high suction power. The filter is made of stainless steel. It is easier to remove and clean than a HEPA filter. It has great efficiency. For great performance, it should be cleaned after every time of use. Washing filters regularly can increase filter lifetime. It is a very good design. It has a strong power cord with 3 different nozzles. It is lightweight, so easily can be portable. It can be bought at the right price. It has been designed nicely with some useful accessories and a portable bag. With a limited budget, we can find this great hand vacuum. It can be used in both wet and dry vacuum. How much dust is collected can be seen easily because of having a translucent collector. Here the suction flow is easy. Have a 12V cord play rule, the charger that powers the vacuum. Batteries, AC power outlets, and cords are not needed. It has a quality charger that is enough strong. Dust can be easily washed with minimum effort. It has a long cord so that it can be easily reached any part of the vehicle. For being a small size, it can easily handle mess on the spot. It has also a flexible hose that can clean tight places. Because having extra filters, it gives users extra advantages. Review: positive. It has enough power to suck dust, debris from the floor. The cord is so long that it can go anywhere in the vacuum. Stainless steel filter with a spare included, nice carrying case and dust collector. Nice design, and that is suitable for collecting messes. It has enough attachments to clean all the parts of a car. It has a double filter. It has great efficiency with a limited budget. Lightweight and portable to clean any area. Noise is not more. It hinders dust leakage. Sustainable filter. Best budget friendly. Negative review. For the operating manual, instruction is not clear. The quality of the material could be better. For deep cleaning, it has not enough suction. Without wall plug. Hose is films. 5. Black Plus Deca Max 20 Lithium Pivot Vacuum, VDH 2000PL. This vacuum cleaner is very simple, effective, portable and rotates up to 2000 degrees. It is a multi-skilled tool. By using this we can solve multi-operation as it has a foldable head. It can be easily carried from one place to another place. Though it is lightweight, has enough suction. The battery is enough powerful and can hold a charge better. It has a rubber flag that helps to keep dirt from falling back out of the bin. It has a high-performance motor that gives a better suction compared to others. Lithium technology for better suction and fade-free power. It is a good sign that company made this model with a lithium-ion battery. For this reason, it can be recharged within a very short time. It does not need any attachments as all the tools are located in the device. For having a pivot nozzle it can clean odd areas easily. Features. Filtration is good. Have a good filtration system. The filtration system has 3 stages. The filter can be washed. As the dustbin is transparent, easily can be seen. Has a strong battery that has a charge for a long time. The dust chamber that is removed can be easily washed. It has 35 air watts. Good design. Can be operated easily. Has a quality nozzle. Can be carried easily. Get power from the battery. Dust capacity 15 ounces. Can collect a large amount of dust. Weight 3 pounds. The filter can be easily cleaned. It has great power for a hand vacuum. Has great power in a compact size. Advantages. It has a great suction system. It can be stored in small spaces. Can be easily emptied. The battery can be easily replaced. Need not any attachments, so no risk of misuse. Powerful battery. Disadvantages. It can clean dust easily, but in the case of cleaning pet hair on carpet it has no ability. It can't clean the floor. To complete the job, need a stick vacuum. Dustbin has not enough capacity. For deep clean it is not suitable. Customer review, positive. It has a very impressive performance. Suction power is twice. Flap inside the nozzle prevents dust from falling back out. As it has a removable dirt cap it is easier to wash and empty. Compact design. Enough suction power. Folding nozzle gives extra advantages. Battery is charged quickly. For solid design and having a brush tool is more useful in a car. It is easy to empty the dust compartment. Customer review, negative. After a few months of use customer faces different kinds of machine faults like the motor in the cylinder, burning plastic, motor fault. Takes time to clean the filter. Conclusion? After researching all quality car vacuum cleaner, my vote goes to the Makoita XLC02 Airbay 1W 18 volts compact cordless vacuum cleaner, because its battery and charger have enough quality. Furthermore, its weight is low to move the vacuum cleaner and its cost is average than others.